Ever found yourself puzzled by the VITO error code in your Mercedes Sprinter van? A common hurdle among Mercedes Sprinter van owners, the VITO error code is a frequent guest on your vehicle's dashboard. Intriguingly, this code is closely tied with your van's AdBlue system, a vital component in reducing harmful exhaust emissions. Now, you may wonder, what does this mysterious code mean, and how does it connect with the AdBlue system? Well, fret not. Understanding this issue is the first step towards a solution. The AdBlue system plays a crucial role in your Mercedes Sprinter van. This ingenious system is a vital part of the vehicle's emission control system, designed to reduce harmful nitrogen oxide emissions, thereby helping our environment breathe a little easier. At its core, the AdBlue system uses a solution of urea and water to convert these harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water vapor. This happens inside the SCR, Selective Catalytic Reduction Catalyst, a key component of the AdBlue system. But it's not just about being eco-friendly. The AdBlue system also plays an integral role in maintaining your van's performance. If this system malfunctions, it can lead to reduced engine power and in some cases the vehicle being unable to start. This is often indicated by the VITO error code. Now that we've understood the AdBlue system, we can move on to diagnosing its common faults. Identifying the problem is half the battle won. Let's dive into diagnosing common AdBlue system faults. A faulty AdBlue system often presents itself through a series of telltale signs. First, you may notice a decrease in your vehicle's performance. This could manifest as sluggish acceleration or decreased fuel efficiency. Second, your van might give you a warning message or a dashboard light indicating an AdBlue system error. To diagnose this, start by checking the AdBlue level in your Mercedes Sprinter van. If the level is low, refill it. However, if the level is adequate, inspect the AdBlue injector for any blockages and clean if necessary. Next, examine the AdBlue pump for any signs of damage. If it's faulty, it may need to be replaced. Lastly, check the AdBlue control unit. Faulty wiring or a software issue could lead to the VITO error code. Diagnosis is key, but what do we do once we've identified the problem? Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Fixing common AdBlue system faults starts with resetting the system. Disconnect the battery for about 30 minutes, then reconnect it. This simple trick can often clear minor software glitches. If the fault persists, the next step is to check the AdBlue fluid level. Some issues may arise from running low on AdBlue. Ensure the tank is filled to the recommended level. Next, inspect the AdBlue injector for blockages. Use a soft cloth to clean it gently and avoid causing any damage. Then turn your attention to the NOx sensors. These sensors can malfunction, sending false readings to the AdBlue system. If they're faulty, replacement is usually the best course of action. Lastly, check the AdBlue pump for any signs of wear or damage. A malfunctioning pump can lead to an array of issues, so replace it if necessary. Remember, always consult your vehicle's manual or a professional mechanic if you're unsure. And that's how you tackle the common AdBlue system faults causing the VITO error code. So, VITO error code. Not as daunting as it sounds, right? We've journeyed through understanding the AdBlue system, its crucial role in keeping Mercedes Sprinter vans running smoothly, and its common faults. We've also tackled diagnosing and fixing these faults, emphasizing the importance of having the right knowledge and tools. It's all about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition. Remember, with the right knowledge and tools, you're more than capable of tackling the VITO error code. Safe driving.